This is a video for the electric chainsaw sharpener. Just want to show everyone that it is working. It's coming up next auction, R. Cox auction lot 201 in the Elkville auction. Chicago Electric Power Tools. Here's what you get. You seen it running? Needs cleaned up. This would be a neat little stocking stuffer for someone. There you are. This item I can ship it as well. rcoxauctions.highbid.com, coming up in the Elkville auction here at R. Cox Auction. Go follow the Facebook page. I put all kinds of videos and information up there. The auction will be on rcoxauctions.highbid.com. If there's nothing up there, you can go to the past auctions and see what I do. And this one here, it's coming up for you, Elkville auction.